perceiving it as in like nature taking back the churches and the temples. It was like it was growing. Nature is taking over the temples. Okay. Twisted trees bent buckled through eaves. The preacher hides in house. In the stalls which built your temples, it breathes, whispering wisdom up the aisles. Your God is invisible to the mortal eye, and its breath lays cold in the parting of hands. Congregation confused, spill aloud no joyous cry, ungodly, unhealthy the commands. The blushing moon moves her crystal seas, taken without thought from trees. Your poisoned apple bore its fruits in the roots of your creed. You see, the fairy tale God is dead, and universal law has now awoke from its biblical dreams. Lost is thy conviction you failed to bestow, now withering in watery streams. Love does not blossom on twisted tongues. The second one, what I'm going to do is a few beers and that, sorry, I don't know anything else. This next one's called The Car, and it was about me as a young boy, young man should I say. Not much moral code, and I sort of, I'm talking about my body as a metaphor, as a car, steel, and my blood is diesel and things like that. So that's the trip of the next poem. It's called The Car. In my muddied, mortal, marrow-boned, moulded car of youthful flesh steel, I have chudded down your many roads. Black gold, blood diesel, piston pumped heart through a maze of metal vein. I have been at the wheel, when even an idiot could stay indoors. And I cruised your neon streets in a flamboyant madness and drunken mess. I revenged you puke on your tarmac and over your most treasured dress. All the moon long, the coiled springed cushion of my cream leather thigh has seated many an angel. But with a window screen, I have been in the traffic jams of your cities and paid witness through glass-eyed windscreen your flooding tears. And with a sincere heart I tried to help. But with a window screen wipered strength I had to clear my own vision. Concrete mines and appointment blocks, dull moon windows where dreams are turned to tears, and flooded endless rivers beneath our streets. Told with raw iron chains in a politician monster truck madness, I had to clear my own vision. I envisaged rolling down unpainted streets and exchange my crude oil for to run on pine sap and drive through an endless spring.